Hi everybody, this is Pedro, founder of Auricle, and today I'm going to show you how to use this device. So, you get a box like this, nice and easy, it's 100% recycled, we care about the planet, and it can't get easier than this, like a pizza box. You just open it like that, and the device is there. It's clipped to the cardboard, so all you have to do is press the clip here, and boom, it's out. And you can also scan here. You probably already did because you're watching this video, and you'll get access to the app soon, and you also get access to the instructions and the videos. So once you open the box, then you can also open this one here, and you'll get the accessories down there. It's the pouch, and inside the pouch is all the accessories. It's a zip. You open it up, you got the cable for charging, and the tips. This little box has 3 pairs of tips. It also has the earplugs inside. I'll explain to you later. But the most important is the 3 pairs that you can see here, especially the middle-sized one. So it's a small, medium, and large. By default, we advise you to put the medium on because that's what fits most people. Now, if you observe them carefully, you have a curvy part and a flat part. And that's because, you know, people's tragus, they are different. So some tragus are more curvy, some are more flat. And the best way to try it is to fit the tip and flip it around and see what works best. So I have a pair here right now that it's already fit, but I can take it out again to show you. This is without the tip. You have the tip here. It's pretty easy. You just slide it in there and it's in place. You can see it. Then you have the cable, and all you have to do is put the cable behind your head. And there's 2 ways you can grab the device. You can either grab with your indicator, like this, or you can grab it with your thumb, like this. Remember never to grab it from this side like this. Some people make this mistake. It doesn't work because you can't actually clip the device. So you have to grab it on the side this way so that you can open it fairly easily. I prefer to grab it with the indicator. It's a lot easier for me when I put it on the back. So yeah, I just grab it like this and then slide it in there. Keep it open, go all the way, and once you feel like there's no more to go, release the clamp and you're good. So same thing with this one, and you're ready to go. So next step, you can do it either on your ear or you can take it out. It's to turn on the device and pair the device. You have 3 buttons, essentially. The most important button is the button next to the USB. This button is to power on, power off, play, pause, song forward, song backwards. And then you have 2 more buttons, which is volume up, volume down. And it's quite self-explanatory. The power button is on the bottom here, close to the cable, while the volume buttons are on top. And if I put it on my face, the power button is right here, and the volume buttons are here. If you want to pair it, all you have to do is keep it pressed for 6 seconds when you turn it on, and it will go into pairing mode. Keep it pressed, you'll feel the beeps as well, and then there you are. You're in pairing mode now, blinking blue, and then you can go to your phone, to the Bluetooth settings, you'll see the device there, you press it, and it's paired. So once it's paired, you can see the white light again, and then, yeah, put it on. And if you want to start a song, of course, you can press the play button, but you can also go to Spotify and choose the song and so on. I'm already on my Spotify, so I can just press play on this button here, and I'm listening to music. I can press again, it pauses, and I can press 2 times, it goes to the song forward, and I can press 3 times, it goes to the song backwards. If I want to increase or decrease the volume, I use these two buttons. That's it. You want to have a phone call? Very simple. Same button to answer the phone calls and to turn off the phone calls. For this version of the Auricles, we decided to only have one microphone for technical reasons. And we have decided actually to use the headphones as if it's a phone. So you have one for listening and one for speaking. So what you do is when someone is calling you, you answer the phone call on this one, and you take it and you clip it on your shirt or wherever you want to clip it close by. So the idea is that the microphone is closer to the voice, and therefore you have a better signal to noise ratio, because a lot of headphones have a lot of problems with having the microphone here. It's too far. Also, the directionality doesn't work. And in use cases like biking and so on, this is a very bad place because of the wind noise. You take the phone call, you press the button, you clip it to the shirt, and you start talking. Microphones, they actually love wind noise because it's a membrane, and the membrane vibrates with air disturbance, whether that's sound or wind. And wind is a lot stronger air disturbance. So you can be creative, and that's also one of the reasons why we did this mode. And you can actually put it in a place where the microphone is not exposed to wind. So for example, you can actually put it inside your clothes. It might seem a little bit counterintuitive, but it's actually very good sound quality compared to having the device out here where the wind is hitting the microphone. You can also, for example, if you have a bike helmet, you can clip it to the bike helmet strap, and the strap is like going all the way here, so you can be creative there as well. And then once you're done with the phone call, you take the device again, you press turn off the call, and you put it back, and you're back to stereo listening, regular playing. The last thing is obviously as a functionality, we made it like this also for a reason of not losing your headphones. So you can hang it by the wire. You can also clip it on the shirt. You can clip both, or you can clip one. It looks cool and it's, safe. You won't lose them. That's it. So thank you for watching. And if you want more tips, there's the next video about listening modes.